Why do plants struggle with soil nutrient deficiencies? Have you ever wondered why some plants seem to thrive while others struggle? One major reason is nutrient deficiencies in the soil. Plants need a variety of essential chemical elements to grow healthy and strong. When they do not get enough of these nutrients, their growth can suffer. Plants requiring primary nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, and magnesium. They also need trace elements such as copper, iron, molybdenum, zinc, boron, and manganese. Each of these nutrients plays a role in important processes like growth, flowering, and fruiting. One reason plants may face nutrient deficiencies is simply that the soil lacks these essential elements. Poor or depleted soils may not have enough nutrients for plants to absorb. Even if nutrients are present, plants might struggle to take them up due to environmental conditions. For example, soil salinization, which is the presence of excess salts in the soil, can hinder nutrient absorption. Soil pH is another important factor. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, certain nutrients become unavailable to plants. For instance, boron and iron are less accessible in alkaline soils, while acid-loving plants need lower pH levels to absorb nutrients like iron and manganese effectively. Other factors can also limit nutrient uptake. Poor root health, caused by damage or disease, can prevent plants from accessing nutrients. Physical soil conditions like compaction or poor drainage can restrict root growth. Both overly wet and overly dry soils can reduce root function and nutrient absorption. Additionally, improper watering practices can wash away nutrients or create conditions that prevent roots from taking them up. Plants have different nutrient needs at various growth stages. For example, nitrogen is vital during active growth phases for producing green leaves. Phosphorus and potassium become more important during flowering and fruit development. If the timing of nutrient availability does not match these needs, plants may show deficiency symptoms even when nutrients are present in the soil. To tackle these challenges, gardeners and farmers can test soil nutrient levels and pH. Choosing plants suited to their soil conditions is also essential. Managing watering and soil health carefully can make a big difference. Using appropriate fertilizers that provide the right nutrients at the right time can help prevent deficiencies. However, it is important to avoid overfertilization, as some nutrients can be toxic in excess. Understanding why plants struggle with nutrient deficiencies can help explain common garden problems like stunted growth, leaf discoloration, and poor fruiting. It also highlights the interactions between plants and their environment, showing that healthy plant growth relies on both the presence of nutrients and the plant's ability to access and use them effectively.